I'm now going to use the AcuSetter app on my iPad to position the heart where I want it in my hoop. So I'm going to select AcuSetter, and I'm going to receive my design. So I'm going to select my machine, and I'm going to receive the design. Now notice that it has also received the hoop. It's important that the design is in the hoop that you want to sew it out in. So now I'm going to take a picture of what's in my hoop. Make sure that you see the arrows line up. So my arrow is at the top of the hoop, and I'm going to take a picture. Now I'm going to line up my markings. Notice here that I'm lining up with the markings that I created on my fabric. I'm going to line up these markings. So again, it didn't matter that I had the actual markings on the hoop. I have now established the embroidery field of my hoop. And now I'm going to go next. And now I can simply position the heart where I want it to be. I can drop that right down here. And so I'm going to actually have it. So, and this actually won't let me move it outside the hoop. I can see if I did move it outside the hoop, it won't let me do it. Or it won't let me send it to the machine. Now, if I needed to position the placement line separately from the heart, I could go next, and you could kind of see that it's a whole separate, so I can actually position the two designs separately if I needed to. So now I can see how it's going to be on the corner of my napkin, and then I'm simply going to send it right back to my machine. And now we're ready to sew.